Alright guys, we're just doing a bit of a clean up inside of the Vayner, I think it's a VOC2, the 30 kilo an hour granulation mill, and just thought I'd show you the inner workings of what goes on inside here. So there's a screen in the bottom, just like a normal hammer mill, and it's got these 3 cutting edges, and it's got these 3 cutting edges. So these ones are on the outside, one there and one there. That's what we're just about to put back in. They sit like that. Now I pulled it apart because I jammed it up, had it blocked up in here with some thick conduit that was on the outside of the cable I was processing. So you've got these 3 holes here. I'll blow that out with the air gun. Blow all the junk out. You got these 2 holders here, and what you do is you bring them out until it holds the blade where you want it to be. So you can hand rotate it to get it close. I imagine the closer it is, the sharper and smoother the cut would be. These are actually on an angle. If it comes across on camera, hopefully my little compressor's not too annoyingly loud. The idea is that it comes around and uses all of the blade but in stages, and by doing so you get more cutting performance. And you don't need as much horsepower. Alright. So what we'll do is we'll just have these loose so that we can adjust these 2 still. So I've got a complete other blade set for this that they gave me when I purchased it. Vayner machinery. Vayner. Don't know if you guys have experienced them before. These Milwaukee impact sockets stay attached so well. Alright, we'll just need to turn it around just by the pulley. I've obviously got it isolated so that we can't go losing some fingers in here. Okay, so we need to go back a bit. We are out too far. You really want to get this stitched up right before you turn the machine on, because a collision I can imagine would be chaotic. So I'll just get these where they need to be and I'll come back. Okay, so we've got it spinning nice and true. Here, it's just scratching on the no, it stopped again. Right, now we're good. Got them all coming nice and close to the chop. Because what happens is you get the cable go through here and it pulls through a big bunch, and then the big bunch gets stuck on the screen, which flexes. Once the screen flexes, it gets stuck under there and you don't get a clean cut. So now we've got a nicer cut surface adjusted up. So it'll only cut on a short edge, not that whole width, so you don't need as much power, otherwise you'd need a much larger motor. Yeah. Alright, so we've got it all back together. I'll show you how she's chopping. Let's fire up the motor and start feeding it and see what comes out this side. It's pretty good in there. Got the fans and the shaker table adjusted nicely. Motor on. Raise the particle size up, and because the particle size is bigger, we'll actually get through more in a day. I upgraded our dust collection. This actually provides a Venturi effect. The blower in the machine that normally goes to a sock, and this as well provides a Venturi effect. That actually sucks the dust out of the shed as it's going through quite effectively. Yeah, we end up with beautiful copper. Horrible old white plastic out the back. Yeah, hopefully I get lots of years out of this. I'll make some more videos about it. If you want to see me test it on anything, sing out. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.